Feels really good to be back here to start another hike. But this hike is a little special. In 2016, when I first set foot on the Arizona Trail, when I came out here to bike pack, I got a little bit more than I bargained for, and I discovered a lot of things on that trail, and it changed me. It changed a lot of things for me, and this trail is the reason that I'm here today and that I'm doing what I do. You know, this hike is not necessarily just about me trying to close a circle and deal with some unfinished business from 2016, but it's also about the trail and the people that have poured their blood, sweat, and tears into this trail, and the reason that I'm able to stand here, the reason that I'm able to hike. So over the last 13 days, it's amazing that I've been able to meet so many people that have been so involved with this trail, its development, the support, Trail Angels Association. So thank you to everybody over the last 13 days, and this hike's for you. So I guess to start it off, like any other hike, Monument, Mexico, Arizona/US, trail. Let's do it. Official first water source. First big climb out of the pass. Straight up. Good stuff though. Good weather. Good way to start off a hike. So I lost Nemor quite some time ago. I'm pretty sure that he went up Carr Peak, which the trail kind of splits up and it goes up that way. So I have no clue where he's at. Also, I'm pretty sure that my camera's broke. I can't get it to turn on and take video. So that is why I'm using my cell phone. So hopefully I can figure out what's wrong with it. If not, I don't think I'm gonna be able to shoot any video for a little bit, and probably have to find a way to overnight myself another camera. Aside from that, it's been a pretty amazing day. It's getting kind of late. I got like less than a mile till I get to camp. Gonna pick up a little bit of water, hopefully, up here in this canyon, and then go just a little bit further to a windmill and set up camp for the night. It is day 2 of the Arizona Trail, and it's kind of chilly this morning. So I got to camp last night and messed with my camera for quite some time, and I think my camera is busted. So I am filming with my phone again, I guess for like the next day until I can get into Patagonia and find a way to get a new camera body. So this goes to show you that if you go get out on trail, you don't need expensive camera equipment. A phone will work. Most of these cell phones today have amazing cameras in them, and this one does okay. Basically cruising down these old forest service roads, as you can see behind me. Nemor ended up getting into camp late last night, catching up with me, and he's a little bit ahead of me this morning. So I'll try to put out a little bit bigger of a day today, maybe like 22, just to get myself a little closer to Patagonia so I can go in the morning and try to fix this camera problem. Started getting pretty warm today. Yesterday was nice basically all day because it's kind of up, you know, in elevation up at the higher peaks like Miller Peak and Carr Peak, but dropped down quite a bit yesterday before camp to like 5,000. So now it's basically back on like that Arizona desert floor, kind of high desert, but desert. So getting pretty toasty. This is the Arizona that I always expect. Negative. Sad. Rusty water. People out here are always so great to cache water. Don't know exactly what trailhead this is, but nice of whoever decided to catch the water. Much appreciated. Apparently it's Canelo Pass trailhead. Good to know. Well, it has been a pretty long, hard day. I think I ended up doing like 24, 25 miles, but I found a pretty awesome camp spot. I'm just outside of Patagonia. Earlier today, I actually got a hold of a trail angel that lives in Sierra Vista, and they were willing to let me ship a new camera body so I can stop using my phone, and they're gonna bring it to me tomorrow in Patagonia. So the original plan was to get into Patagonia tonight, but there's really no sense in me going in there, so got this really awesome camp spot, super beautiful sunset, and it'll be a small hike in tomorrow to Patagonia. Hang out, eat some pizza, drink some beer, get a little bit of R&R, and wait for my new camera. Nemor went ahead and boogied into Patagonia. I think his plan is to kind of roll out in the morning. So I'll be a day behind him, maybe half a day behind him, depending on how long it takes me to get the camera. But I'll catch up to him pretty quick, and he's filming stuff. And as soon as I get my new camera, I'll be filming stuff as well. But for now, it's time to eat something, enjoy the rest of the sunset, and hit the hay.